At the restaurant, good evening. Do you have a table available for two?
Good evening. Yes, we do. Right this way. Here's your table. My name is John, and I'll be your server tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Thank you, John. I'll have a glass of water, please.
Of course, a glass of water for you. And for you, sir. I'll have a Diet Coke, please. Certainly, one Diet Coke. Here are your drinks. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, we're ready to order. I'll have the grilled salmon with steamed vegetables.
Great choice. How would you like your salmon cooked?
I'd like it medium, please.
Noted, medium grilled salmon with steamed vegetables. And for you, sir. I'll go with the pasta Alfredo with chicken. Excellent. Pasta Alfredo with chicken. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, that'll be all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll get your orders in right away. Please enjoy your drinks, and I'll be back with your appetizer shortly. If you need anything else, just let me know.
After finishing their main courses, the waiter returns.
Are you interested in dessert tonight, or would you like the bill?
We're quite full, so we'll pass on dessert. Could we please have the bill?
Of course. I'll bring your check right away.
At the airport. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm a little lost.
Of course. I'd be happy to help. What do you need assistance with?
I'm looking for the check-in counter for my flight to New York.
No problem. Let's find the departure boards. They'll show the gate for your flight.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Look, your flight to New York is at gate 7. Follow the signs, and you'll find the check-in counter there.
Great. Is it far from here?
Not too far. Just follow this hallway, and you'll see the check-in area on your left.
Thanks a lot. I would have been so lost without your help.
It's no problem at all. Have a safe trip. Hi, excuse me, do you speak English? I need some help.
Yes, I do. How can I assist you?
I can't find my luggage. I just arrived, and it's not on the conveyor belt.
Don't worry, I can help you with that. Let's go to the Lost and Found office. They can help locate your luggage.
Thank you so much. I was starting to panic.
It happens to the best of us. Just follow me, it's this way. Boarding a plane. Hello. Welcome to the plane. My name is Sarah. I'm here to help you. Do you have any questions? Hi, Sarah. I'm a little lost. Can you show me where my seat is? I'm in seat 15D. Sure, I can help. Your seat is in the middle of the plane. You can find it a little further down this aisle, on your right. Thank you. Also, are there any empty seats close by? I'd prefer a window seat if possible. I'll check that for you. Please sit down for now, and I'll be back soon with the information. I'm sorry, but it looks like all the window seats are taken. If you'd like, I can assist you with your bags and make you comfortable in your assigned seat. That's okay, I'll stay in 15D. Thank you for checking.